Hello, my name is Sarah Moss and I am the director of the STEPS camp from Grand Valley State University. STEPS stands for the Science, Technology, Engineering Preview Summer, and it's basically just an introduction to engineering for rising 7th graders because this is kind of a pivotal time for them to be making decisions about what they want to do for their future and more immediately what they want to take for classes as they are entering middle school and high school. Everything that we do here at STEPS Camp is revolved around airplanes, so they get to build airplanes, they get to make paper airplanes and test them, and they also get to learn about lots of forces and aerodynamics. And it's basically just very hands-on, very applied, hoping to pique their interest and keep them engaged in STEM, and along the way have a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Kathy Basin. I'm a lead teacher with STEPS. Last year was the first year that we brought the camp to Battle Creek Public Schools. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for our students to get to see what STEM is like and actually do hands-on materials, and they really enjoy it.
I'm Evan Yu. I'm currently going into my sophomore year at Grand Valley, and I am a computer science major working here this summer as a STEPS camp counselor. And I think this camp is just a really cool program to be a part of because I spent almost my entire schooling career being that kid in class that wouldn't pay attention, that just thought everything was a waste of time. Senior year of high school, I took AP Computer Science, and for the first time in my entire life, those sparks finally flew where I was interested in learning. It wasn't just, I have to learn, I was doing it because I wanted to. And so I wish that, when I was in 7th grade or middle school or anything like that, even early in high school, that somebody would show me something that might be a little bit more practical or a little bit more different, because stuff like coding and stuff like technology really is the future. And to have these kids be exposed so early, it really gives them an idea of what they can possibly do. So I think it's really cool that these kids get exposed and get that chance to learn to love to learn.